Losing, you can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Down, down, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the haze.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a thrifted home decor haul. Is this a thing on YouTube? I don't know. But I'm gonna be doing it because lately I've been really into thrifting home decor because it just saves money, and you also can find really cool pieces that you might have not have found in regular stores. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be doing some DIY projects with some of these items, and I don't want you to miss it because it's gonna be fun. I don't do DIY, so it's gonna be interesting too. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and without further adu, let's get into it. I just grabbed the most like boring item that I bought, but it's this like, why can't I think of the word? Paper towel holder. I went thrift shopping with my mom like a couple weeks ago, and there was this woman who had this like little boutique thrift shop store, a bunch of like, it was basically yards. It's wooden. It's very like, looks like someone put it together, but I kind of like it like that. And I put it in my kitchen on my counter, and I just think it looks really cool. And I'm really into that bohemian home decor. Like, I wouldn't say my style is very bohemian, but yeah, I'm also into like everything. So I love like edgy, girly, you know, pretty much everything I'm pretty much into, except for country. I don't rock the country look, it's not really my thing, but pretty much anything else is my thing. And then moving on, I got this little basket. I just think it'd be super cute. I would use it like a food tray, so I would put like a little plate and maybe like a cup and be able to carry it over the couch or something so I can eat while I watch TV because we lazy like that. It's really beautiful. So everything in the store was actually numbered like 183, 283, everything was 83, and mom was like, why is this 83? So she asked the lady, and she was like, that's when we got married. So I was like, that's so cute. She was really nice, and it was a really cute store. I'll probably go back in there because I found some good stuff. If you live in Kentucky, you should go to Shelbyville and check out some of the boutiques that they have. They have thrifted boutiques and just regular like little boutiques. They're super cute. So if you live in Kentucky, you should definitely go check it out. Moving on to Goodwill, I found this. I would use this as like a plate holder. So like, I would use this as a plate holder. So if you have like a hot plate, you just put this on top, like put your plate on top of it, and then you're able to carry it so it's not hot. You know, if you don't feel like taking this big thing around, this was really easy to work with, and you can just, you know, hands it off. Or it'd be really cute like on a wall, like maybe on like the wall or something, like it's like really like cute decor. I don't know, I can't decide what I want to do with it yet. Right now it's just like laying around. Yeah, it's made out of like this, it's made out of this bamboo material and like the, you know, woven thing. Super into that right now. This was 99 cents. And next thing I got from Goodwill is this tissue box holder. So you put this over your tissue box, and I just love the design on it. It's very like rustic and like kind of like an urban kind of vibe. I just thought it was super cute and aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I got that to put over my tissue box. Why did I need that? I didn't need that, but since it was only like $2, I got it because why not? Maybe if it was like 10 bucks at Target, I wouldn't buy it because I don't need it. But since it was cheap, I got it. So that's like also another another pro to thrift shopping. I got this. It's like a little wall shelf. It did need to be repaired a little bit. Some of this, like the little screws were coming out, so my dad had to nail gun those back in. But he fixed it, and it's nice and sturdy now. I got some hooks to use to hang it up. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna hang it up. I took a video, but I'm gonna hang it under this little farmer's market sign I have in my kitchen, and I'm able to put like little jellies, flowers, whatever on top of it. Got this for, I think I took the price tag off, but I'm pretty sure it was like $2. Really cheap, and I might paint it. I kind of want to paint it maybe like a white or something like that, or maybe like, I don't know, just paint it like maybe a brighter wood, like a brighter like wood color, maybe a natural wood color, or maybe like more of like mahogany or something like that. Two more things I got at Goodwill is this little bowl, and it has like these flowers. I thought it just looked very vintage, kind of old lady vibes, and I liked it. So thinking like put like maybe like my yogurt in it or something like that, just something like really cute to like snack on. And then I got this mason jar. I'm thinking I'm gonna paint it white and write flower on it, or like draw a flower with paint and draw a flower, paint a flower, whatever. I can't speak. Paint a flower on it, and then like put my flour, my cooking flour in there. That way I can like keep it out in the open because I'm running out of storage space. So I think that'd be really cute. So I'm definitely might DIY this by painting it, and I might decorate my shelf. So definitely stay tuned for that. The last item is my favorite item. It's a, like, what's it called? Woven, am I pronouncing this right? This woven laundry basket. I went to Annie's Attic in Louisville, Kentucky, and they have basically like a bunch of like thrifted stuff. And the great thing is that that laundry basket was originally like $25 when it first came in, but the longer it's there in store and no one buys it, the cheaper it gets. So I got it for like $5, and that's a good deal because it's really cute, and I think it like adds a little something to my room. I'm trying to decorate more because I don't know why, but for the longest time I was just not into decorating, and I was just like, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But recently I went to decorate, and yeah, I like putting like a little candle on top of it, and it gives it like a little something. My dog likes to try to eat it, so I had to put it away at night so he doesn't eat it while I'm sleeping. But yeah, I think it's really cute, and I'm definitely gonna be looking for more pieces like that. So that is it for this video. That's all I have right now. I'm definitely gonna be doing some more videos like this. I have a thrift haul coming soon of like clothing and stuff. This is something I thrifted the other day. Super cute and crazy. I don't know, I saw it, I liked it. Like animal prints are really in. So if you like this and you liked everything I showed you, don't forget to subscribe because this video will be coming out, and also my DIY video. If you like thrifting videos, give us a big thumbs up, and if you don't, give a big thumbs up anyways because I make other content too. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll link all my social media down below for you to go follow me because that'd be great. I have lots of fashion photos, and I'm also being incorporating more health, wellness, beauty into my feed as well. So don't forget to follow me for that. And yeah, I'm really hyped up today. I had like 3 coffees, but it's fine. I love y'all so much. Bye, guys.
One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1,